Hi, Steve Dillon here from PMS Brick Pavers. We're the guys here to take a look at our indoor showroom here in Sterling Heights to give you some ideas of what you can do outside. You have here a fully functional outdoor kitchen. This is some of the things you can do outside with working stove, refrigerator, you name it. Here's some standard Oaks products, big seller for us. Large format, a lot less maintenance for our clients with our Artana wall, which is, again, probably our most popular wall because it's very versatile. Here's where we have our meetings. Again, just kind of shows you what you can do with granite on the outside, nice seat area. Some people like to do different things such as tables and what have you. So this is our idea center. So this is where we sit around and talk. Got our nice little Santera area over here. This shows, again, just one small area of Santerra. Their large format, manor slate, fire pit area. Shows you exactly what you can do. You can relax, have a fire, whether it's a built-in, or you can even do these accessories like this, where if you want to move it, you can move it. And we built a house inside of a warehouse. Here's our Unilock area, Beacon Hill. Again, it's really just such a visual product that we want to show you what it looks like before you're buying something off of 2 brick or what have you, and let you get what you want. So this is their Ucara wall, their Beacon Hill, very popular products, Copthorn. And then what we'll do is show you this. Basically from here back is Fent. So Fent is the last Michigan-owned, privately held company, Michigan-made, old school manufacturing. So you're gonna see a lot of different colors jump out at you with Fent. It's a little slower of a manufacturing process, but each brick looks different than the other. So you'll never see a repetition in color. Everything looks different. We'll walk you to the back because it just keeps going. This has been our biggest seller for a very long time. Holland series in the walnut. Again, Fent area as well. It's a nice dry bar here. So you sit around, relax with a concrete countertop. Again, it shows all of Fent's variety of colors, all the products, so customers can actually take them home with them, match them up to the house, and really get a feel of how things look and what they're going to look like at their house. So walk down over here, here's a fire pit area. Again, Fent, this is their old world vintage. This is a great feature. People love this. We're doing a lot more of this, where you have something stationary. It's a gathering place. So over here, most people are just hanging out by the fire, eating, just enjoying themselves. Really gets people close together, talking. And here we have a masonry fire pit, or fireplace, I should say. And this is all the Oaks Monterey, very popular tweed with the Laredo wall. And again, custom masonry fireplace here. And this essentially concludes our showroom. Thank you for coming. If you'd like a free estimate, please give us a call toll-free at 1-800-BRICK-PAVERS or visit our brand new website at we'retheguys.com.